Hello everyone, welcome to pronirob. Today I'm going to show you a workflow that will automatically generate images from Google Sheet to your and also it will download to your Google Drive. So here's the workflow. As you can see, there is a execute node. When we execute the workflow, it will get all the prompts stored on your Google Sheet, and then it will loop all items one by one, and then it will check if the status of this prompt or it has been already processed or not from this status tab or status column. And then it will go to next node, and as you can see, http request, I have used Runware API, so it will be using Runware API to generate the images, and then it will download the image after generating, and then it will upload to your Google Drive folder. As you can see, I have used this folder and it's empty now. I'll be generating in a moment, and you can see it will be filled up with images. And after uploading the image, it will wait 2 seconds, and then it will update the status of the prompt if it has generated or not. So let's start it and see if it works or not. Okay, click on execute all flow, and as you can see, it has started. Okay, one image has been generated and downloaded. Now it's uploading it. Okay, uploaded. It will wait 2 seconds, and you can see the status is done, and it is now again going to the loop and working with the second script. Let me see. Okay, you can see it has been generated. The first one, it will generate according to your prompts. Okay, you can see I am generating t-shirt designs. You can also use this for any kind of design you want. It will work according to your prompts. Okay, second one is done. As you can see, uploaded, and the status is done. It will go one by one until it finishes. As you can see, there are 21. It will stop after 21 from in my case, and if you have thousands of prompts, it will work until it finishes all of them. So this is a simple one. I think it will help many content creators or who are uh, using AI to generate images every day. They can automate their image generating process using this workflow, and this will save a lot of time for them. So that's it for today. If you like this workflow, I will attach a link to this workflow. You can get it on that link, and also if you need any kind of help, just you can contact me through the details below on the description. Okay, have a good day. Thank you. I'll be making more videos like these soon. If you like, if you want any specific workflow, like anything you want to automate, just comment below. I will try to come with that type of workflow in future. So thank you, take care, goodbye.